what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing how to do cups and balls. So first, just take a cup and just place it down. Take the next cup, place it down. And grab the middle ball, put it on the, not the middle. Put this ball, put it in the middle and put it on a stack like this. Like that. And then do the same thing again, but this time you have to put this ball onto that. And then just put this one, put it in the middle one. Do it like that. Alright. And then you want to do that. Get the second one, put it over the top. And then there's no balls here. You can just do it like that. Grab this ball, put it in the middle. And there's 3 balls. But the question is, how did it go through the cups? Well, actually, there's a ball in here in the second cup. And that's all you need to know. So that's how you do the cups and balls magic trick. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.